Also, this person asked how to read 2 books a week. Well, that's fairly simple. Start reading 2 books a week. It might be difficult for the first week, but one of the things that you need to keep in mind is a novel. If you take a novel for an example, it should be read in 1, 2, or maybe 3 days, not more. You shouldn't take more than maybe at least 2, maybe 3 days to read one novel through. If you can't do it in 1 day, perfect. If you need 1 hour, maybe for 2, 3 days, perfect. Reading a book through in 2, 3, 4 hours, something like that, that's okay. But you shouldn't be taking more than maybe 2, 3 days to read a novel through. Don't take 7 days, don't take 15 days, don't take 30 days to read a novel through. If you think about it, a good book can easily be translated and put into a motion picture, a movie with a good scriptwriter and a good director, easily a 2-3 hour movie. Would you ever watch that movie with the same mentality? I'm going to watch that movie for the next 7 days, next 15 days. I'm going to watch maybe 3 minutes of that movie today, watch 4 minutes tomorrow, watch 5 minutes the day after. I only have 2 minutes the day after that, but I'm going to use 7 minutes the day after that. Would you ever watch the movie with that mentality? Absolutely not. So why would you do it with a book? If we do that with the movie, on what day? On 4th or 5th or 6th day, we would be wondering, how did the movie start again? So we would need to watch the movie from the beginning to be able to remember all the things that we might have missed because we were taking so long watching the movie. We wouldn't do that because we know the movie only takes maybe 2-3 hours, so you just watch it in one go, no problem. When you know how to read, you don't need more than maybe 2, 3, maybe 4 hours to read a novel through. So why would you use more than maybe 1, 2, maybe 3 days? 1 hour a day, 1.5 hour a day is 90 minutes per day for 2, 3 days. And you can easily finish a book in that time. Well, you've just read a book in 3 days. You now have 4 days more in the week. You can easily take 1 day off, but then read book number 2. So you can easily go reading 2 books every week. So definitely do that. Keep in mind, there was a 9-year-old who came to my course. She was reading fairly quickly when she arrived at the course, but after doing a 3-week course with me, she was reading 3 novels a week. 9 years old, she was reading 3 novels a week. So you can easily read 2 novels or 2 books a week. Definitely. Absolutely.